Hi, just Ride 7 again. Nissan Frontier, rear brake light. I had a problem with the connector, not the bulb, but I bought the bulb anyway. And if you need to change the bulb, it's a 3157 bulb. It's this type right here. This is a different kind of a bulb. This one has the yellow. This is the NA 3157 NA, but you just need the regular clear bulb to replace the light bulb. But what happened was the connector inside was a little loose and was causing my light bulb not to function. I thought it was something to do with this other light that I had. I've got a jack here running to a fuse, running to a wire, running to my exhaust LED light. You can see that LED light shining in there really brightly. But yeah, so when you take off your light, there's two 10mm screws that go right there, 1 and 2, and then you've got two. You can see them right here. They're these little things that fit right inside the grommet there. So when you pull it out, it's the opposite of when you put it in. So you just get it like that, line it up. You can see in here. Let me see. Like this. Okay. And you just line it up. It goes right back inside. Oh. Yeah, like that. See how it's snapped in? It's just the opposite, and then you get your sorry, it's so shaky. But yeah, you get your screws. Screw them back in. Really simple like that. This one, there you go. And then it screws back in like that. And then if you've got one of these deals, and that's how you do light bulb replacement on a Nissan Frontier. Alright, nice day in Hawaii. Expecting a little bit more rain today, but take it when it comes. Aloha.